going on today, guys? So I have this box, kind of got smashed because yeah, this is FedEx do a better job, but I have no idea what this, I kind of have an idea what it is, but it's not all the way open. It's kind of torn open in a couple spots, but thought I should do a box opening video to see what this is. So let's yes! Like I said, I already had kind of an idea of what this is. Hi. Are you helping with the box opening? Cat is helping with the box opening here. Comes with got some stickers. A Bear Trucks sticker and a Land Yachts sticker. So, without further ado, ta-da! Some Generation 6 Grizzly trucks, or Polar, yeah, Generation 6. I think these are the Grizzlies. You can tell by the dropper hanger that it's the Generation 6, because I think I have an older. Pair right here, you can see how this is a lot more round. That's a lot more square, and it says Bear right on the dropper hanger there. Yeah, I'm stoked that these actually came in today, because I ordered these not too long ago, and I was kind of worried that I wouldn't have my new trucks for summer, or at least the start of summer. I have a new deck coming too, so hopefully that comes soon. But yeah, just opening this second truck here. Yeah, and here's the second truck. Cat's trying to play with the bag, but yeah, I'm stoked to get these today, like I said. But now let's throw them on the 33-inch drop cat, and yeah, get to skating. So really quick before I take off on these trucks, these are the 50-degree base plates. It's really nice as they put that little 50-degree logo on there. So yeah, these are the 50-degree Generation 6 Grizzlies. I have skated Grizzly several times before on some of my previous boards, like these ones that came with this board. These are the Generation 5s. They are a great truck, but I am able to thread the bolts on and off with my hands, and they're just getting overall old. So I thought it was time to maybe upgrade to some newer trucks. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna have a board on the way here soon. So hopefully it'll arrive shortly before summer really starts and gets into full swing. But other than that, I'm really excited to get these trucks. Yeah, like I said, they're the 50-degree base plate, black. I think they come in several colors or color variants, but yeah, I think they're, to my house shipped, they were about $80, and I like to do them shipped because not a lot of skate shops carry longboard stuff, but it's really nice to just have shipped to your house and whatnot. But other than that, let's get skating. These trucks definitely turn a lot better. I usually keep mine pretty tight, and they actually turned fairly well for being so tight. I don't usually loosen up my trucks very much, if like at all, but definitely for being in a new truck, they definitely turned quite well, I think, and definitely being 50 degrees seems to help. But the one thing I have a question on is, if you look, you'll notice there's like a little hole in like the center. I don't know if this has but yeah, on the Land Yacht Stingy, it'll have like where this nut goes, like there'll be a hole kind of in the end there. I think that's just like an odd sort of choice to do. So I don't know if it's supposed to be like a weight savings sort of thing, but definitely seems quite odd to put a hole in your truck that isn't like for screws or anything. But definitely these are a good truck. They feel kind of heavy, but it's not anything that you're gonna be huffing and puffing, pushing, you know, trying to get started. But
other than that, these are really good trucks. I have skated Grizzlies for several years now, and yeah, definitely a good truck to go. And then these are the Bear Truck Grizzlies. These are $80 shipped to your house, and then they go all the way up to about, I think, $200 for the Kodiaks. So yeah, other than that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, see you guys next video.